Adding FAQs is a common practice on websites, so utilizing the FAQ schema markup can be an effective SEO tool that allows you to show up in the People Also Ask section of Google searches. As a Webflow developer, it's our job to create as high-performing a website as possible. That's why I created FAQ Schema, a free Webflow resource that generates the schema markup for you and dynamically updates for both static and CMS FAQs, so you never need to worry about updating it again. So let me show you how to set it up. Here we are inside of Webflow, and there's 3 attributes that we need to apply. So first, I'm going to find our FAQ item wrapper. This is the div block that houses everything inside our accordion. So I'm going to go to Settings and go to Custom Attributes. And for the name, it's going to be FAQ. And for the value, it's going to be parent, as this is the parent div that holds everything inside. Next, we're going to go to our text element that holds our question. Go to Custom Attributes, FAQ, question. And then we're going to find our text element that holds our answer and do the same thing, add FAQ, and for the value, we'll type answer. And just like that, all of the attributes are applied. Next, we're going to make our way over to the FAQ schema resource page, and we're going to copy the script. Now back in Webflow, we're going to go to our page settings and custom code, and we're going to paste this before the body. We don't need our schema markup anymore, so I can go ahead and delete that. I'm going to press save. Now just like that, if I go ahead and publish the website, open up the schema validation tool, paste this in, and here you can see our FAQ schema was automatically generated. I'll show you it updates dynamically because I'll go back and I'll remove the do, press publish, then we'll run the test again, and you can see the do was removed. This works great for static and CMS items, as you don't need to worry about updating the content, and you can copy and paste this on multiple pages. There's a more effective way to use auto FAQ schema, and that's utilizing properties and components. Here we are back in Webflow, and now that I've applied all of the attributes that I want, I'm going to go ahead and grab our item again. I'm going to turn this into a component. FAQ item. Perfect. Now here I can go inside, grab our text element, which is our question. I'm going to go to text block settings, and I'm going to create a new property. We'll just call this question and create. We'll do the same thing for the answer. Grab this paragraph, create new property, and for this we'll just type answer. So just like that, we have a component for our item, but now we need a wrapper so that we can insert it into a slot. So I'm going to go to our item. I'm going to wrap this in a div block. I'm going to give this a class FAQ wrapper. And now I'm going to pull our item out of it. I'm going to turn this wrapper into a component. Press create. And now that inside our component, I'm going to add a slot. And I'm also going to add an embed. And inside this embed, I'm going to paste in our FAQ script. Save and close. And then here we can give it a visibility property. FAQ schema. Press create. I'm also going to give this a class of hide, and we'll set the display to none because we don't need to see the script. And perfect. Now we have our wrapper with our embed inside and our slot. So now we can pull our item inside our slot here and duplicate as many times as needed. And the great part about this is we can use this accordion wrapper across the entirety of our website. But if we want accordions and we don't want our FAQ schema to apply to this element, what we can do is go ahead and just press hidden on our property. And then when I publish this page, assuming I've removed the script from our body, and press save, now the FAQ schema won't apply, but we'll still have that same accordion visual and functionality that we want. I hope you found this resource helpful. It's meant to be an easy way to integrate into your workflow without needing to worry about it afterwards, while also improving your website's SEO. If you have other recommendations for things you want us to build, feel free to leave a comment below, or on the FAQ schema page, you can scroll down and see our request a resource form, fill that out, and we'd be happy to try and build a solution for you. Check out some of our other resources, and we'll see you next time.